Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, day four. Day four of my personal challenge to get my Harley Davidson project bike from a running rideable motorcycle down to a bare frame in just 4 days. And here I am on the final day. Hopefully today, engine out of frame and mission accomplished. Now, to take an engine that size and weight out of the frame by yourself when you've got nobody to help you with it is not an easy task, but I've got a cunning method on how to do it nice and safely so I don't hurt the engine or myself, and I've got a perfect weapon of choice to help me with the task. So let's get that rigged up first and see how it goes. Oh well, second bolt so far on the whole project that snapped off. Not surprising, it lives right there, right behind the front wheel, taking all that weather blast for 20 years, and it's a little tiny 3/8 bolt. Now it's corroded in, not just to the thread that's captive in the frame behind it, but it's corroded into the body of the regulator rectifier, so that ain't coming off either. So rather than muscle it around and risk damaging the regulator rectifier, which is expensive to replace, then I'll wait till the engine's out, I can get to the back of it, flush off the rest of the bolt and drill it through safely without any damage. So I'll come back to that. Right, mission accomplished. From a running motorcycle to a bare frame in under a week. Really happy with that. Now the next thing on the list is to send the wheels out to the wheel builder in plenty of time to get them back, because I want this as a rolling chassis as soon as possible. I've got a few frame mods to do, and I've got to paint the frame as well after I've ground bits off it. So those wheels need to be with the builder as soon as possible. So in the next video, I need to get the tyres off, get the furniture off, get them fed out to the guy who's going to build them, and hopefully we can make some progress. So I'll see you next time.